What's up guys, Joseph here, back with another video, and as you guys can see, I had to throw on my NASA shirt because
I think AMC is going to the moon.
I also had to throw up the green lights because as you can tell from the title and thumbnail, I made $1,100 trading AMC. I'll take you guys through 3 of the trades that I took. One was a swing trade and the other 2 were both day trades. If you go on to enjoy the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content. And if you want to be a part of a trading community with over 1,000 members, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. So now that we have the chart pulled up on AMC, I'll show you guys exactly what my trade was with this stock. And if we go over to my Robinhood account, this is my AMC history. And then if we scroll down, we can see that I placed a trade on January 26th for the 5-strike call expiring March 5th. And I bought this contract for $180 on January 26th. Now, I mainly bought this contract in anticipation of a short squeeze on AMC. Later on, if we scroll up, you can see I sold it today on January 27th for $1,050, totaling an $870 profit. Now, if you guys don't know what a short squeeze is when there are a lot of investors shorting the stock, betting that it's going to go down. Well, if the stock has any good news or continues to go up, those short sellers have to buy back their positions in order to prevent them from losing more money, causing more fuel to the flame. And if we go over here to FinViz, we'll see we're on AMC, and right here we can see that the short float for this stock is 36.5%. Yesterday this was about 50%. So this just lets you know that 50% of the shares on AMC were being shorted. And if we go over to Thinkorswim, this is AMC on the 26th, and right here in after hours, let me go back. I'll just zoom out. Right here in after hours, we can see AMC starts to pick up steam, and at first it hit about $7, cooled down for a little bit and ripped up all the way to 13. And then in pre-market today, we saw it hit a high of about 26. Now the second thing I want to show you guys are the levels that I drew out for this stock. And if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that AMC has clear support and resistance levels. Right here at the very bottom, we have a support level at $2. Then the next one is at $8.80. The next one is at $12.50. And then after that, we hit 17 and then 20 at the very top. These levels are what I was looking for when I was day trading these stocks. And I'll show you guys the 2 day trades that I took on this stock right now. And if we go over to Robinhood, we can see that the first day trade I took was this morning at 10:28 a.m. and I bought the 6.5 call for $9.65. And because I was out of day trades, I did spread this play and I was able to still make profit on it. I sold the call above and it gave me a credit of $1,055. And if we go over to the charts, I'll show you guys exactly why I hopped in this play. As you guys can see here, this is the 1028 candlestick, and right here we see AMC selling off right at market opening. And right here on the higher time frame, we see that this 1250 level is holding up pretty nicely. And with a stock like AMC that has a lot of hype, we know that typically any dip like this is going to get bought up. And right here it starts to get rejected at the VWAP, which is this purple line, and right here it breaks above VWAP and is holding this 9 EMA, which is the green line. So this is why I hopped into this play. Right here we can see it breaks above that next level that I talked about, which is $17, didn't quite hold, and then I got out. So on that first spread, I made a little bit over $100. Now if we go over to the next day trade, we can see that I bought another 5 call strike for AMC at $1,200 at 10:42. I then later on averaged down on these contracts, buying another one for $8.30 at 12:30 p.m. And if we go over to the charts, I'll show you exactly what AMC was doing and why I decided to average down on my position. So right here on this 1042 candlestick, we can see AMC is testing that upper level that I talked about on the higher time frame. And in anticipation of a break, I bought into the calls right here. And then as you can see, AMC traded sideways for a long time. Now if we scroll over to about 12:30, I'll show you exactly where I averaged down on these positions. Right here, I'm down quite a bit on my contracts. But right here we can see AMC testing the support level that I drew out at 12.50. Now I wasn't able to get filled right here on the bottom. Robinhood did not get me filled. However, I decided to place another order and I got filled right here on this candlestick. And as you can see, AMC started pushing up and started to approach this VWAP level. Now given the fact that I had two contracts, I wanted to lock one right here because the VWAP can act as resistance if the stock is trading under it. So I locked one by selling the call above at 12.43. And if we go over to Robinhood, we can see that right here I sold the 5.5 call at 12.44 for $1,010. Now I did buy that dip at 8.30 and I was able to sell the call above for $1,010. And I was holding on to my last contract. And if we go back to the chart, we can see that I sold my contract at 103. And right here at 103, we see AMC starts to test that VWAP level again. Now, since I was up on my position, I was happy with taking profits given the fact that I was down quite a bit and I averaged down. And right here, we saw AMC push up to this $17 level, got rejected, found support around VWAP, and later on in the day, pushed right above and now is trading above this level. So now if we go back to my Robinhood, I'll show you guys the spreads that I'm in and how much I'm up on those spreads right now. And as you can see right here, I do have a total of 6 contracts and the total return is $240, totaling my total profit to about $1,100. Now, these spreads are still active, so if AMC does push up even further, I will make a little bit more money. Now, do I think AMC can go even higher? Well, I'll show you guys on the higher time frame what I think AMC can do and how you can best trade this stock. So as we can see right here, it's approaching towards market close and it is above this $17 level. If you do plan on trading AMC, I would trade them based on the support and resistance levels that I have drawn out. If you see AMC starts to break above this $20 level, it is a good sign that it can definitely run to 25 and it's a good sign to go long. However, if it does get rejected, you may want to wait until you can buy around the support levels. Now, if we go over to the weekly time frame, we can see that the next level AMC has as resistance is all the way at $27.55. If we do manage to break above this $20 level, we can definitely see AMC rise some more. As I showed you guys on FinViz, it does have a short float of 36%. So there's still a decent amount of shorts on this stock and it can definitely squeeze some more. Just be careful because the higher you buy into this stock, the more you're risking. And if we zoom out even further on this weekly time frame and go back about 5 years, we can see if AMC does break above the 27, it definitely can reach its all-time highs. So if you do plan on hopping into AMC, I would hop in on a break above resistance as it does have more room to go higher. Or you can also play a dip to support if it bounces off support pretty nicely. And right here, as the market is open, we can see AMC is pushing up past this $17 resistance, approaching the $20 mark. And for the spreads that I still have open on my portfolio, I plan on buying back the ones that I sold in the morning if AMC dips, and then letting the other call contracts ride for a little bit more profit. As you guys can see, AMC has a lot of hype and volume to it, And if it can break above those levels that I talked about in the video, it can definitely go higher. Let me know if you guys will be playing AMC in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content.